Today at CRKT we are taking a look at the Liong Mah designed Mah-Chete. A great little piece designed as a survival machete, but also it's going to be great for yard work, chopping, camping, outdoors activities. The overall length on this blade is 17.4 inches. The blade length is 12 inches. And this is not a small knife. The weight on this one is 1 pound, 3.2 ounces. One of the things I love on this blade, you can see it's got a hammer finish on there. Just gives it kind of a prehistoric, gritty look and feel. Just really solid. The handle is walnut. You can see it is riveted on there. You got a couple different spots where you can attach a lanyard hole to make sure this knife does stay in your hand. And one of the things I love about it is it's comfortable in hand. Liong Mah really knows how to design for function as well as comfort. So you can see it in my hand. I have about medium-sized hands. You can see there's about that much extra space there in the end of the handle. So if you do have big meat hook hands, you've got a lot of real estate in that handle to really get a good grip on it. But where my hands aren't huge, it still feels good and useful in my hand. So a lot of different options there. As well in the butt of the blade here, there's just that little hook, that little flourish to make sure that the machete stays in your hand when you're swinging it. Now if you look at the shape of this machete, it's kind of an upswept blade, and that's going to give you a little bit more leverage when you're chopping and hacking with it. It's going to work really well on all sorts of tasks out in the woods. It comes with a reinforced nylon sheath, and let me show you that here. Just slide the machete right in there with a snap closure, just like that. Give you a clearer view of that enclosure. It is a, like I said, reinforced nylon sheath, and on the inside you've got a polypropylene liner. So it is a harder material, just not nylon all the way through. So it's going to be lightweight, 5 ounces on this, and it's going to make your machete easy to carry. A couple other features on it. Comes with a little bit of paracord, so if you do want to strap it to your legs, strap it to your gear, you've got a lot of options there. You can carry it in this position on your belt. Again, it's called the Mah-Chete, designed by Liong Mah, and he designed it in Florida. Thanks for watching. Thanks for carrying CRKT.
Cause her dad only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have
preparation and planning lends itself towards success. That's why military personnel, survivalists, preppers, and adventurers everywhere understand the value of being ready for anything. And the Titan Survivorcord bracelet is just one way we've got your back. 11 feet of Titan's patented mil-spec survivor cord are woven in a trilobite weave pattern that has style and a huge degree of function. After unwinding and cut open, the cord contains multiple strands of life-saving material. These include a 25-pound monofilament fishing line for emergency food shortages, a multi-purpose conductive wire that's perfect for snares, and a wax-impregnated jute fiber that's been proven to ignite easily and start your fire even in the worst downpour. Quickly and easily disassembled in an emergency situation, this innovative survival bracelet, exclusively from Titan Survival, is the ultimate accessory for your adventures.
our heroes, so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten.
Today I want to tell you about the Chow Pal. It's the new mealtime multi-tool by Outdoor Edge. The unique thing about the Chow Pal, it's all stainless steel construction and it incorporates a razor sharp stainless steel knife blade. There's a lot of eating utensils out there, they really don't come with an effective knife. So here you have a nice razor sharp knife, effective cutting tool. The blade has a secure lock. I'm going to go ahead and lock the blade. Now it's all put together. What I'm going to do, pull it apart. Now I have a fully functional knife and fork, and I'm ready to eat. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut my sausage, I'm going to close the knife. At the end of the knife you have a spoon. On the fork I have a can opener. Over here is a bottle opener. There's a graduated wrench. On the end of the knife, there's a flathead screwdriver. And now to put it all together, what I'm going to do is take the fork, put it in the center slot, line up the hub here and click. It's all put together. It comes with a nice nylon bag. Keep the chow pal nice and clean with a drawstring. And there it is, the Chow Pal by Outdoor Edge.
People don't stay, they say